Today's video you will be seeing two special moves, two simple moves to lose your belly fat and thigh fat. So one move is going to target your belly area and your thigh area together, because after all you want a lower body which is absolutely fit and fabulous. You want to fit into your favorite pair of jeans, and after all you want to flaunt that slim waist, don't you? But if that has been your target area and your problem area has forever been thick thighs and your big protruding belly, then these simple moves can get you to achieve a slim waist and slim thighs. Now today's video is very simple. You can literally do it sitting in the comfort of your own home. You don't even have to go out anywhere. You don't have to invest a single rupee. Just a couple of minutes a day and you're done. This sort of an exercise will help you go a long way. You can achieve all the desired results with this beginner-friendly exercise where no equipment is needed. What more do you want? So what are we waiting for? Let's begin these super simple and easy beginner-friendly exercises to attain a slim waist and slim thighs. The first simple move that I'm going to show you is a super easy move, but you will be needing the help of a chair to help you set a benchmark. I will be showing you beginner, intermediate and advanced level of this very exercise. It's super easy, super doable. So you have no excuse to give up now. If you are thinking that it's going to be so tough, that's why I have introduced the beginner level. From that you're going to graduate to the intermediate, and then onwards you will go towards the advanced level. Now for the beginner level, with the help of a chair which is going to be about this height, all you have to do is hold your hands like this and do this. Just making sure that your hip joint is becoming flexible if it's not, and you're going to raise your leg all the way up to your chest if you can. With one leg you're going to do it. And now with the next leg. Well done. You have cleared the beginner level. Now let me show you the intermediate level. For the intermediate level, you're going to lift your leg up to this height and make a circle around the chair, maintaining your balance. Well done. Now we run with the beginner and the intermediate level. Let's move on to the advanced level. Because if you can do the advanced level, you're sure to see better results. You have to stand at least 1.5 shoulder width apart from the chair, and then you have to lift your leg and take it all around the chair, and then with the left leg again all around the chair. I'll show you how to do it. The second move is again a very simple and easy move, again with the help of a chair, but this time the chair is facing you and you have to take rest against the chair like this. Keep your back straight. This is the beginner level. It's very easy. Well done. Now it's time to do the intermediate level. For that, we're going to do it slightly faster, like this. Well done. Last but not the least, we're going to do the advanced level, for which again we're going to be in the same position. But this time with both our legs, we're going to hop forward, then backward, then forward. It's a very simple and easy move and we must do it together. Let's crack it together. So for this, again, we're going to press against the chair, maintain a distance, come forward, then backward. Well done. If I'm huffing, panting and sweating, you know what it's going to do to you. The same result, especially because it's going to bring up your heart rate, it's going to help you burn the fat cells in your body, and this is going to target your waist and your thigh area, which you will soon achieve into a dream body by doing these very exercises. Now, if you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please, if you wish to join a paid weight loss program, because nothing is possible if you're not eating the right diet, then please feel free to click on the link given below in the description and you can join my weight loss program. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.